Alright guys, just a quick tip. This is a Caroma uniset. Customers had a complaint by the toilet always constantly dripping into the bowl. It's a common problem. Most toilets, principle's the same. Pull the top cover off, isolate the water, turn that off, flush the toilet so it's empty. Try and get as much water as you can out. These two screws, remove that. This whole mechanism pops off. Down in here, you've got the seating washer, where that big round thing is. Twist this left, unlock the mechanism, replace the seating washer, pop it back in, turn right, pop this back in. As you can see, it's got guides in here. It all slots back in nice. Put the two screws back in, pop the cover back on, turn the water back on, check the bowl, see if you've got any leaks. If not, Bob's your uncle, you're all good.